Hey there, it's Matthew Pierce back again with another Turbo Tips. I aim to do these each and every week. These are 3-minute fast actionable YouTube strategies to help you outsmart the algorithm and more importantly, your competition. So let's dive in. Our first tip of the week is save reports to save your time and your sanity. YouTube's updated advanced mode, and it finally lets you save custom reports. So if you're rebuilding a traffic source by video type dashboards each and every week, you've been doing unpaid manual labor. Now you can filter just once and then hit save, label it something useful that you'll remember, then reuse it. Our quick tip here, we build out Growth Report Pack, which includes templates on traffic, retention, revenue, and the first 24 hours. All right, and our second tip of the week, compare everything, not just your ego stats. They got some new comparison tools now, and it is the Chef's Kiss. You can break down performance by age. You can break it down by gender, by time period. It's really great if you want to stop making all these wild guesses and start actually marketing like an adult. Want to know how Gen Z engaged with your Q1 launch? Well, compare the playlist. Did they do it for boomers? Running a 3-part funnel? See where the people bounce and then fix it before the next video. The quick tip here is audience versus audience, a comparison of time versus time, and then segmentation equals scale. Guessing equals what got us MySpace. And our third and final tip of the week is your first 24 hours is your canary in a coal mine. YouTube added a default first 24-hour view. Apparently somebody in Google's reading our tips. Maybe they're watching these videos. I don't know. First day, it's your tell-all. It's your click-through rate, your retention, and whether your creative slapped or belly flopped in front of the boardroom. If your video is tanking, well then don't boost it out of pity. It's easy to do. Instead, if it's spiking, maybe put a little ad spend at it. A little bit more marketing at it. Treat it like it's your kid's first lemonade stand and Jeff Bezos is walking by. Our quick tip here, set up a 24-hour green light protocol. So your team watches the first day metrics and then they decide, should they promote it, tweak it, or say bye-bye? All right, that's our 3-minute turbo tips for this week. Hope you enjoyed this video. It's quick and easy, and we are appreciating your comments. I'm reading each and every one and trying to get back to you. And subscribe, of course, for more quick YouTube strategies, all built to keep your brand one step ahead of the competition. Remember, we don't just rank you, we turbocharge your success. Catch you next time, and for the love of data, save those damn reports.